Let us learn about YouTube. You can download YouTube from the Play Store if it is not already installed on your phone. On YouTube, you can enjoy videos as well as music. You can also search about the new things that you want to learn on YouTube, and you can get a lot of information in the form of videos. Let us see how we can use YouTube. We'll begin with opening YouTube. YouTube is now open. You will need to sign in to YouTube using your Gmail account, which you have used to sign in your Android phone. So I will just sign in. After you sign in, you can use the search toolbar over here to search about anything that you want to know. Let us search about digital marketing. You can get a lot of results about digital marketing in video form. You can choose which video do you want to watch to know more about digital marketing. Let us also search about time management. Again, there will be a lot of videos which will be shown to you to manage your time. Now let's take a look at this small clip. When you click on it, it will open and the video will start playing. Now I will pause the video to explore more. If you can scroll, then you can see the related videos. After you have watched the video, you can enter a comment to let the person who has uploaded the video know whether you have liked it. YouTube basically requires internet connection. But if you want to download and save the video in YouTube and later watch it when you do not have internet connection, that is possible. You can click here and then you can choose the bandwidth, or you can choose the size for which you want to download the video, and you can click on OK, and that way the video will be downloaded. If you can swipe down, then you can see your original list which you had searched for. Let us go to the YouTube main page. Let us go to the YouTube home page. Now as you can see, if you click here, you see the trending videos. Trending videos are the videos which are currently being watched all over. These are the most popular videos. If you click here, it talks more about your subscriptions. Subscription is something which you can do if you like a particular channel or a video, then you can subscribe to it so that any updates, so that you are notified of their updates constantly. If you click here, you go to your own profile. You can see your videos, you can see the notifications, and you can also see the videos which you had tagged to watch later over here. Now the thing about YouTube is you can not only enjoy watching the videos, but you can also upload the videos. So if you click on this button, then you can upload the video of your choice, or you can just shoot the video and you can later upload it. Coming back to the video which we had already opened, you can click on this button to go into the full screen mode. You can click the same button to exit the full screen mode. If you like the video, you can click on this thumbs up to like it. If you want to share it, with your friends or anyone specific, then you can click on this button. It will give you an option of what medium do you want to share this video with. For example, if you want to share over WhatsApp or Gmail, then you can select that, and then you could just type in the email address of the person you want to send, and you could just hit send. This is how a video can be shared.